is discussed, that is about whether the given number is even or odd. Software is Python. In theory, a number is even if it is division by 2 gives remainder as 0. If the remainder is 1, it is an odd number. It is a simple theory for finding whether the number is even or odd. This is coding. First we discuss even and odd number with the help of method 1. In this case, we have used modulo operation. So first, input function is used to extract the number, but here we have to convert the type conversion. That means this input gives a string type, so we have to convert it to the integer. So integer input, enter number. Then we have used if condition, that if number modulo 10 equal to 0, then print this particular number is display even number, else print odd number. We can run this program in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so enter a number. Let's say enter number 6 is an even number. We can once again repeat this example. So enter number, say 7. So 7 is odd number. Now this is a similar kind of method, same, but here just we remove these number and we directly use a mode, and here the greater than sign is used. Earlier we used assignment as a comparison, now it is greater than sign is used. So in this case, what happens, first line is same, number, integer, input, enter number, then modulo, if number is modulo 2, and then if modulo is greater than 0, then this is odd number, because if it is even, then it gives a 0. So display odd number and else print an even number. So let's check this example. Okay, so enter a number. So let's say once again 6. So 6, this is an even number. So once again run this program. So 7. Okay. So this is an odd number. Now second method is with the help of defining function. So first we have defined even odd function. So def even odd parenthesis small n. If remainder is 0, then number is even. So if and equal to 0, use of comparison operator, then return is true. And if remainder is 1, the number is odd. So if and equal to 1, then this is use of comparison sign, then return false. Then at that time is returned to as even, odd, and -2. If it is not going to, this condition is not satisfied, then this block is executed. So let's check this function as well. Define in the function, define odd and odd. So let's run this. Okay, so now we have used this function, 1 odd 2. So 2 is even number, so it return true, because we have used this kind of operation in this particular function. Use of compare to return true if and equal to 0. So modulo 0, so plus, yes, that's true. Now once again we have run this program with the help of odd number. So at that time this gives a false. So this is a false because we have written this kind of example in this particular function, or this type of comment we have used in this particular function. So that's it. So we now conclude that we can able to decide whether the given number is even or odd with the help of different way using Python.